The dual wireless earphone. Let's get to the unboxing, but before that, let's see some of the features. If you look here, you see play music, connection, phone connection, ipad, video call. That's how they write it. Here is some of the specs. You can pause the screen to read it. Let's get to the unboxing. Boy. The earphone, and this the cable. That's what you get in the box. Some key features on the box are 2 hours of charging time and 6 hours of working time. Then standby time is 150 hours. Well, I'll be checking that in my full review. Just hit on the subscribe button and turn on that bell notification so I'm notified when I drop that video. My name is Wise Favor, and I'll see you guys in the next video.